I have a little helper here. I'm watching my nephew Solomon this morning. So he's helping put the icing on top of these little cinnamon buns. You are such a good helper. Ooh, is that yummy? Yeah. Do you think this was a good idea? Mm-hmm. Hey, you're supposed to be putting those on the cinnamon buns, crazy. Ooh, that's a nice shimmy. You like the icing? Mm-hmm.
Kaka.
Is that cool or what, huh? Stop!
Hi!
We'll see you later. Walk for the ride.
Is that fun, Solomon?
Go walk in it.
Is that fun? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh.
Look at, you gotta stand in the middle, like this. Yeah. Balance. Yeah.
Wow, you're
Balance.
so good.
Middle. Yeah, like that. Exactly. So you have balance.
Oh, he wants to do tricks.
Oh.
How cute, Solomon.
Go.
Uh-oh. HOMEGOODS. Carlos's favorite place ever. Let's go see what we could find today. Go take a picture next to that.
Oh yeah.
You look so washed out with the lights. Ooh, they're hiring. I'd spend all my money if I worked here. The big banquet.
Happy feet.
Oh my god, look how cute. This little unicorn. That's literally so cute. Oh, there's like a tiny one right there too. Another one. And a little lamb.
Oh, look at this.
It's like a little pillow that you like lean against.
Oh.
Oh my god, look at this. These little ice skates and a little nutcracker soap dispenser. So cute. Hey guys, what's up? So I just finished recording a haul. Walmart haul. I almost forgot what I did. What did I do? But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I'm actually gonna go to brunch tomorrow morning with one of my really good friends that I haven't seen in literally years. So it'll be really nice to catch up with her, and then maybe I'll bring you guys along for the ride. I need to do my nails, so we'll do our nails tomorrow too. And then look at how cute this little unicorn that I got. I actually got it at Walmart. Yeah, isn't she so adorable? Anyways, yeah, I'm literally obsessed. Best $10 that I've spent. But I just got my BOXYCHARM and my IPSY, so I wanted to, you know, unbag and unbox them with you guys, and then I'll see you in the morning, and then we'll go about our day. I'm just trying to get the hang of this vlogging thing, so yeah, bear with me. And if you guys want to see anything, just please let me know. So I just got my IPSY bag and my BOXYCHARM, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and then I'll show you guys what I got. Alright, you guys, so I got my IPSY bag here and my BOXYCHARM. Don't mind my nails. Like I said, I am going to be painting those guys in the morning after I hang out with my friend Alyssa. So yeah, that'll be really fun catching up with her. But this is my November IPSY bag. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's like royal blue. It has these little hearts on it. Super cute. Little gold detailing here. And let's see what we got. So it looks like we got a little mascara. Oh, from the brand Douce. I think that's what it's called. This is a mascara. I actually have had mascara from this brand before, and they're a really nice brand. I like their mascara. Ooh, we got a little pistache skincare, pistachio oil, pistachio body butter. It says it's hydrating pistachio body butter. So that's interesting. Yeah, so it's just some little lotion, so I'm very excited to use this. It comes in a cute little packaging. I actually really like this. And let's see here. I got a little eyeliner. It is a Lock-It waterproof pencil eyeliner. It is in the shade brown. It's actually really cute. I have a lot of black kohl eyeliners and I don't have a little brown one. So this guy's going to be nice, and I'm sure that I'll be using that guy a whole lot. And I got a little, ooh, how cute, a little MAC Prep Prime Natural Radiance base. So this is going to be fun using this. I've actually never used like the Prep Prime, oh, I can't even speak. I've never used the MAC Prep Prime base, so it'll be nice to test this guy out and see how I actually like it. And the last thing in here is some nail polish. This is from the brand Pretty Woman. I've actually gotten this brand in my Ipsy bags before. Ooh, this is a gorgeous shade. It's like a very deep berry, almost black shade. What color is this? Oh, Wine with Ice, Garcion. But super cute, really pretty color. Love this, so yeah. Alright, so now time for BOXYCHARM. Let's see what I got in this month's box. I love BOXYCHARM. Honestly, the best $21 you can spend a month. If you love makeup. I love makeup. Ooh, cute. We got some Luxie brushes. These are cute. Look at that gold glitter. Oh my goodness. And I love how they're smaller, like detailed brushes. Looks like we got a little regular little small blending brush, a little like corner like angled blending brush here, a little pencil brush, and another one. So these guys are super cute. I love the brand Luxie. Their brushes are super soft, super amazing. I'm gonna have to use these guys in a little tutorial. Maybe I'll get ready with these guys. Yeah, maybe I'll just get ready with this box and like my new makeup tomorrow morning to see how I like everything. Ooh, what's this? How cute. So we got some little tweezers. Ooh, dual-ended tweezers, it looks like, from the brand Farrah. It says, be beautiful, be you, and then fairbrushes.com. This is actually really cute. I was in the market for some new tweezers. So definitely excited to see how these guys perform, and hopefully they're really nice and like not too sharp, but not like too blunt to where it hurts to pull, like, you know, the little eyebrow hairs. Anyways, excited to use these guys. Cleaner. Ooh, that's nice. This is like to use to spot clean brushes, I'm guessing. So definitely going to be using this guy a whole lot because I need to clean my brushes. And let's see. Ooh, Cover Effects. I love Cover Effects. These are the glitter drops. Interesting. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Look at that glitter. What shade is this? This is in the shade Nova. Ooh, these are so beautiful. Can't wait to swatch everything and show you guys. And last but not least, we got a little palette in this month's box. It is from the brand Ace Beauty. It is the Grandoise palette. I think that's how you pronounce that. Alright. And I've seen this in pictures and it's gorgeous. Alright, so this is the palette, you guys. So beautiful. Look at these colors. I'm literally in love with Myrtle. With Myrtle, that cinnamon color, and then of course that rose color. I will definitely insert some swatches so that way you guys can see how they look, and then I will use this tomorrow and we'll see how it performs on the eyes. Alright. Hey guys, what's up? So it's a little bit later and yeah, I'm just here chilling in the car, clearly. Sorry it's a mess. I have like Solomon's seat and all that good stuff back there. But I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know that I'm wearing that eyeshadow palette on my eyes right now, and I am in love. So I'm thinking that I really want to do a tutorial using that BOXYCHARM, like all the products that I got in my BOXYCHARM. So yeah, anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. Please give it a big fat thumbs up if you did, and yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you have lots of fun with your families this weekend. Take lots of pictures, drink lots of wine, make lots of memories, because you know that's what life's all about. Anyways, blessings from me to you always. Send love to you always, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you later, alligator. Bye!